Kia ora guys, I am Samuel, and I just made some beautiful, yummy burgers for lunch. Yummy, yummy, and then it's gonna taste like heaven, and then I'm just watching some tvnz on the TV, and young Sheldon on Netflix, and I'm having a good day today, and I'm wearing my punamu, both of them, to follow the path, and having an awesome day, and then the beautiful trees and beautiful culture, and it's awesome, and having a good day today, and have an awesome day, and I'm relaxing, and have a good time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.